Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to record personal expenses and owner draws in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right in. Recording personal expenses. Sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you are on the dashboard, click on the plus new button located at the top left corner. Select expense from the drop-down menu. Fill in the necessary details such as payee, payment account, and payment date. In the category field, select owner's equity or a similar account that you use for personal expenses. Enter the amount and any additional details, then click Save and Close. Recording owner draws. Click on the plus new button again and select Transfer from the drop-down menu. In the Transfer Funds From field, select the bank account from which the draw is taken. In the Transfer Funds To field, select owner's equity or a similar account. Enter the amount of the draw and any additional details, then click Save and Close. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching.